Good day everyone. Today I'm gonna teach you some tutorials on how to use your STAAD.Pro, like for example importing from AUTOCAD to your STAAD, and also on how to model your structure in STAAD.Pro. So let's go to first, which is on how to import your plan from AUTOCAD to STAAD. So let's go to your AUTOCAD. So let's take this an example that you have a 3-story residential building, 7 by 10 meters, and then this is, let's say that this is your beam framing plan and your column framing plan. So all I did was just to draw the dimensions from the architectural plan, so this one. Next, after you draw your column framing plan and beam framing plan, you need let's take this point as 0, 0, because in STAAD.Pro it will read where your point 0, 0 is. So to do that, you need to identify the 0 coordinates in AUTOCAD. So simply you need to draw a circle here, and then for you to know its coordinates, you need to know its properties. So just type P properties, so this one, and then go to the geometry, and then set center X and center Y to 0. Then okay. So where is it? So here. So move your plan from here to the center of the circle. So move this point to this one. Delete this one. And another thing is, before you import this plan, you need to make sure that your layer properties is only these two. Next is you need to import this one. So let's save this as a DXF file. So go to here and then save as. So let's say STAAD input, and then click this one into AUTOCAD 2013 DXF file, this one, and then save. Now after you save your file into DXF, you make sure that you close your AUTOCAD software, then go to your STAAD.Pro, and then when you open your STAAD.Pro, this shows up. Okay, let's have a new project. Click space. Let's say this one is a 3-story building, and then let's set the dimensions or the units into meters and in kilonewton. And then the location is in the RC2 files in drive E. So click next. Okay, I already have this one now. So add beam, finish. There you go. Now let's gonna import the DXF file from your AUTOCAD to your STAAD.Pro. So go to your file and then find import, and then choose 3D DXF and click import, and then go to your file where you save your DXF file. I think it's here. Okay, STAAD input, and then open. So it shows up. You need to go choose Y up, then okay. Set current input units, set into meters and in kilonewton, then okay. Oh, we have a problem here. So basically you can just delete this one. So okay, okay, so we have our plan here. So to show all the nodes, you just need to click type shift key so that all the nodes will be shown up. So as you can see, there's no node here. Okay, we have nodes here, but we don't have node here. So just simple. So in STAAD.Pro, here is where you can set what view you want to look. So and this is the front view, rear view. This is, I think this is the left side view, and this is the right side view, and then top view, and then this is the 3D. Okay, so to intersect all these beams, you just need to highlight everything and then go to your geometry, and then you can see there is intersect selected members, and then click intersect. So let's say there is a tolerance of 0.0001. Then okay, so 8 beams created. So there. So how to determine if you modeled your plan correctly? So you need to determine if all your beams started from your 0, which shows that if it starts with green, ends with blue, that's correct. So it shows here in this along Z beams, it starts with blue. So you need to redefine all members that starts with blue. So simply select these members. Okay, let's save this file first. In AutoCAD. Okay, let's say 3-story building. Save. Okay, so select all highlighted members, and then select all members that starts with blue. So this one, also this one, this one, this one. I think that's all. So after you highlighted all the members, go to your tools and then click redefine incidents, and then okay, then that's it. It all starts with green. Then just click Shift E to remove these highlighted members. Okay. So to check if your node here is 0, so just go to this toolbox here and then click geometry, and then click this one. To select these nodes, you need to click this one, node cursors, and then also this one is the beam cursor. So if you want to click the nodes, you need to click this one and then highlight, which shows up. So this node here is 0, 0x, y is 0, and then z is 0. Now let's say that this building has a 1.5 depth of foundation. So if this is your view from the natural ground line. So if you have a 1.5 depth, so we need to move this we need to move this to 1.5 above. So simply highlight all of this and then go to your geometry. I know. So select all the nodes, then highlight everything, and then go to your geometry, and then go to move, joint, and then let's move up to 1.5, and then click OK. Yes. So as you can see, if you click this one, your Y now is 1.5. So next is you need to lay out all the columns for the foundation, which is from natural ground line to depth is 1.5. So let's select all the nodes here. Let's say select all the nodes, which is the columns connected to your foundations. So let's say this column here, okay, and then this one, and then this one. This one here is your intermediate beam for your stairs. So this is a beam. So after you highlighted all the nodes or columns, go to the geometry and then click transitional repeat. Now this shows up. Then in what direction we will offset this one, so in Y direction, and then number of steps we'll need 1, and then the spacing is 1.5, so it is negative, so it's 1.5, so because we're going down. And then go to link steps, click link steps, and then okay, there you go. So we have our foundations for the column. So we have our columns for our footings. Next is we need to model our plan into 3D. So we need to move up. So again, let's use transitional repeat. So it's kinda hassle to select which beam, so you simply just go to your front view and then highlight this one, so you can see all the beams that need to offset were highlighted. Okay, so go to your geometry again and then transitional repeat. So this is a three-dimensional story building, so link steps is 3, and then default spacing is, let's say the spacing from each floor is 3 meters. So link steps and then click OK. There you go. So we have our model. So we need to delete this column here because it doesn't need here, because this is for the beam for the stairs. So just click delete. So top view. So and then I think this is correct. Yes. We still have here one. this one. There you go. So now we modeled our building. So next is we need to assign supports for our footings. So it's easy. So go to your general here, and then click this one, support. Now this shows up. So you can create or choose different supports for your building. So just go here and then click create. So let's say that we use fixed support. We also have here the pinned, inclined. So let's just use fixed support. So there, so click this one and then click add. Now, so we need to assign these nodes here as your support. So simply go to your node cursor and then select first, select this one, click this one, and then highlight all the nodes you want to assign. Okay, as you can see, and then assign to selected nodes and click assign. Do you want to proceed? Yes. Here you go. So we have our supports. After the supports, I'm gonna teach you how to if you want to view this only this level, I want to teach you how to hide the rest of the members. So go to your find a view that is easily to highlight. So if you, like for example, you just want to see this portion here, so all you need to do is highlight this one, okay, and then after you highlight selected members, go to your view and then view selected objects only. There you go. So as you can see, all shows up all the highlighted members. So don't worry, it was not deleted. So the main purpose of this one is when you want to put some properties or put some loadings on your on these beams, because if you want to show all back all these members, just click this one, display whole structure, because it's not easy to select like this when you can see all these members and stuffs. Like it's kinda it's not easy to highlight like this. So all you need to do is just like I did, highlight all the some of the members you want to see, and then go to your view, then view selected objects only. So it makes easy. Now, so let's check if all the members started from the 0. So again, click type shift E. So if you see in your structures that it starts with blue, so you just need again to highlight all the members and then go to your geometry, tools, and then redefine incidents. Okay, so type hold shift E. Now next is I want to teach you how to assign properties on your beams and columns. So that's all for now. Okay, see you for the next tutorial. Thank you.